guys, and in today's video I'm gonna be fixing this box because it's like, I don't think there's a stud here, so I'm gonna be putting in some of these, what are these called? I'm not sure. Tell me in the comments. But yeah, let's get right into it. So something funny about this part, the screw wasn't unscrewing from the wall, and probably because there wasn't a stud there and it was just like stuck in the wall. So I was literally just ripping the box off the wall. I was just like ripping it off, like trying to like, yeah, you know, like yank it off, and it still wouldn't, because there's 5 screws in the wall. Yeah, right there, 5 screws in the walls, and it just wouldn't come out. But I eventually got it. And then right there, I just knocked out the top, because when I originally put the box on, I had the wires going in from the side because I had a shelf, and then I used 9-volt batteries to power the alarms. But now I just used an adapter. And then here, the wall thingy wouldn't go in the hole, so I had to use a screwdriver and widen the hole and then hammer it in, but it still wasn't fitting. So then I put a screw in, and then that got stuck in the wall, because I'm an idiot. So I had to take the hammer and then rip it out. But then it eventually fit, and then I just hammered it in there. Same thing with the other one, I think. I had to widen the hole a bit, but yeah. And that one fit fine. Okay, so I finished up the, putting the box back on after I struggled for a while there, but, let's wire, my BG12 back up. Alright, so I wired the BG12 back up, and it's not wobbling anymore, so let's test everything real quick. That doesn't sound right. Something's not in there correctly. Yeah, that's not right. Okay, so something's probably wrong with the wiring connection up here, so I'm gonna check that. Okay, I'm back. So the problem was one of the terminals on the positive side for this low frequency sounder was not tightened all the way, and the positive wire was sort of just like dangling around, so we can go back to this. Okay, so we're finally done. After this stupid thing was acting up. And we'll just test it real quick to make sure everything works. Okay, everything works. No wobbliness either. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to check out the next video that I upload, which is probably gonna be how to build a fire alarm demo board. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one.